Hello students, let's solve this question. Given that a vector plus b vector plus c vector plus d vector, a plus b plus c d vectors gives you 0 vector, or we can say it's null vector. Which of the following statements is are correct? Is are, that is, it may be a multiple choice question, multiple correct question. So in first option, it's given that a vector, b vector, c vector and d vector must each be a 0 vector. Of course, this is a wrong answer. Why? For sum of 4 vector to be 0, it's not necessary that everyone must each be non-zero, must be 0 vector. So this is not necessary that each of the vector is 0 in order that sum of these vectors should be 0. So this is definitely a wrong answer. Option B, the magnitude of a plus c equals the magnitude of b plus d. This should be a correct option. Why? Because if a plus b plus c plus d is 0, if a plus b plus c plus d is 0, it means a plus c is equal to minus of b plus d. I can write this equation in this form also. So it simply means that these two vectors a plus c when are added gives you negative of b plus d vector, and negative of a vector has same magnitude, its direction is only reversed. So the magnitude of a plus c should equals to magnitude of b plus d, and this answer is the correct option. Next, the magnitude of a vector can never be greater than the sum of the magnitudes of b, c and d. The magnitude of a vector can never be greater than the sum of magnitudes of b plus c plus d. Now, the magnitude of a vector, I can write the given equation as a vector is minus of b plus c plus d. So if ABCD's sum is 0, it means a vector can be written as minus of b plus c plus d, and the maximum magnitude of this quantity, which is b plus c plus d, it can be the sum of the magnitudes of these vectors when they are collinear, when they are in same line. So the maximum magnitude of a plus b, b plus c plus d is mod of b plus mod of c plus mod of d. Of course, when they are collinear. In that condition, the magnitude of a vector should be equal to magnitude of this vector. It's always it should be always the magnitude of b plus c plus d, and the maximum value of this magnitude, if I take the magnitude of a vector to be maximum, then it should be the maximum magnitude of b plus c plus d, and the maximum magnitude of b plus c plus d is nothing but magnitude of b plus magnitude of c plus magnitude of d. Hence, this is the same thing written in the option C. This is the same thing in the written in the option C. The magnitude of a vector can never be greater than the sum of the magnitudes of b plus c plus d. So the maximum magnitude of a vector is equal to this thing. It definitely means that the maximum value of a, if it's equal to this, then it is not greater than this. This option is correct. Now next option, b plus c vector must lie in the plane of a vector and d vector if a and d are not collinear. And in the line of a and d if they are collinear. Now you can also write b plus c, b vector plus c vector is negative of a plus d, So b plus c vector must lie in the plane of a plus d vector, If a and d vector are not collinear, then definitely their sum will be in their plane only. And if they are collinear, then also their sum will be in their plane only. And in the line of a and d, if they are collinear, definitely this option is correct. So this answer is also correct. So correct answers are b, c and d. Thank you.